In this video, we will consider this topic: introduction, how we need negotiation, what is negotiation, why do negotiation fail, 4 stages of negotiation, soft, hard, U, reference and YouTube link. Negotiation skills. As per Cambridge Dictionary, negotiation is the process of discussing something with someone in order to reach an agreement with them. Negotiation is usually used to sign business deals and contracts, but in fact, we do negotiation all the time. In our professional and personal lives, we bargain when we are buying something particularly expensive, and that is negotiation. We negotiate in our personal lives to come to an agreement. How much we will contribute towards a task at home as against other members of the family. We negotiate for salary or other benefits at the time of our requirement, and we also negotiate for increment in our jobs. Thus, we come across situation in our day-to-day life where we have a negotiation. Negotiation is a process which takes place when two or more interdependent parties who have different needs and goals work together to find a mutually acceptable and beneficial outcome. These often involve both parties making consensus. Negotiation processes. Negotiation happen in various stages. The first stage is information exchange. Both parties exchange information of what they can offer and what is their expectation. The second stage is discussion of alternatives. The final stage is the closing, meaning here both parties either comes to an agreement or decide not to go for the deal at all. Three stages talk about a deal. One must understand that it's not only business deal but also about personal life negotiation. Accommodating. As the name suggests, the negotiator has an inclination towards solving the problem of the other party and maintain personal relationship with their business associate. They do not bargain aggressively. Their offers may not be in their best interest and they yield to others' demands. This style of bargaining is usually pleasant and more comfortable for both the parties. They rather value friendship and their main objective is to reach an agreement. Avoiding. Some people do not negotiate unless necessary. They try to avoid the confrontational aspect of negotiating. They have reserved behavior and do not express their own will. Rather, they insist on agreement. Collaborating. Collaborators like to solve difficult problems creatively. They enjoy negotiation and value the concern and interest of the other parties. Their approach is creative and innovative, and they see the situation objectively. Their choices are guided by principles of fairness, professional standards, traditional or moral standards. Compacting. Some people enjoy negotiations because it provides them the opportunity to win. They usually neglect the concern of other and their relationship with them, as it may lead them to lose the bargain. Such negotiators often says the last word and do not give opportunity to the others to negotiate further. These negotiators usually bargain strategically and their only objective is to win. Compromising. These negotiators close the deal quickly by looking at the interest of parties involved. They are useful when the time is limited, but sometimes there is a chance of surfing loose in hurry to close the deal. Why do negotiation fail? Getting too emotional. Focus on personalities, not issues. Not trying to understand the other person. Wanting to win at all costs. Regarding negotiation as confrontational. 4 stages of negotiation. First of all, preparation. Second, exchanging information. Third, bargaining. Or fourth, closing and commitment. Stage 1, preparation. You are fully prepared on the subject matter of the negotiation. You have worked out your tactics and how best to put your case. You have tried to figure out what the other party's objective will be. You have gathered background information. Stage 2, exchanging information. This is the single most important stage of negotiation. Both parties will be trying to find out and understand the other position and requirement. Successful negotiation ask twice the number of questions and spend over twice the amount of time acquiring the clarified information than do average negotiator. Bargaining. As soon a number or term is maintained by one party, you have begun to move out of information exchange and into bargaining. Exchange of terms. Never give a concession. Trade it reluctantly. And last stage, stage 4, closing and commitment. Your judgment. Is this best and final offer? If yes, list the agreement in detail. List the points of explanation, clarification, and interpretation. Record agreed summary with all at the table. Restart negotiation if any dispute our agreement. Soft. Trend to see negotiator as friend. Sees agreement as the goal. Prepared to make. Conscientious to cultivate the relationship. Is willing to trust the other side. Is willing to modify position at an early stage. Disclose bottom line yearly in discussions. Avoid contest of will on particular point. Considers to press. Hard. Sees negotiator as opponent or adversaries. Sees victory as the goal. Demands conscientious to establish a relationship. Tends to mistrust the other side. Is reluctant after position in any way. Misleads as to bottom line. Expects to win. Contest of will. Applies pressure. You. We all have a certain tendencies influenced by our socialization, our personalities, and above all by our managerial histories. Rate yourself as hard or soft. Give some evidence for this. Does your performance work for you? Answer in comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Reference: Google textbook, Wikipedia, internet, and this is YouTube video link. And scan this QR code to go to video.